Greetings, everybody. Happy 2025 and well forward to another episode of the Upper Knife Show. I'm your girl, the little Brown, your Dragon Star on the Wheels of Steel. Bread's Mad One. Big up on yourself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. And it's a new year, new slate, new opportunities.
New year.
Breads look like him want to take up the artistry thing, but me don't know what.
Yo, I'm not like, no artist.
Alright, sir. Alright. But yeah, shout out to everybody that is tuned in on our Instagram live. Thank you as per usual for joining us this evening. Shout out to everybody that is on the TGM Radio UK's TikTok page and as well as their app, which you can, yeah, you can listen to us and every other show.
And tell them so we have a TikTok page for
on the go.
So we have we need to start following the page.
Need to
so
go over up on the app.
Yeah, and get TikTok.
Follow, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, follow our account on
go over
TikTok.
on the app, yeah?
Alright, January 1st. Tonight, Ras, at the night, I tell you how much followers we have and how much we need. By the end of the night, we get at least half of that.
People know up on live show just over on the app. So here we go now.
Yeah,
so go over there.
Tonight. Go follow the
go
page.
And go follow the page because you don't know.
The page.
Remember, you know, this year is going to be epic. This year, name work. Man. This year, name idea. This year, name things. This year, name a bag of things. I don't know about unity part. Me don't want a friend from nobody.
No, I never.
Me don't want a friend from them.
So right now, that year I name prosperity, money, a less friend because you don't know.
Bugsy said love and longevity.
All right.
Yo, that year I name.
Yeah, me don't want a new friend.
25. So 24 was the revealing of your life. Where you can do better, we never do. 25 of us perfect, all of the flaws them, and gain more this year. So from the first to forward in the future, it could be a bit more merry and fruitful at the basket. You know?
And there's something that I heard the other day. You can't sit down and expect or envision something to happen and you're not putting in the work. So you have to put in the work in order to reach to the position or the place that you're envisioning to be.
Yeah.
You can't, because if you do the same thing when you do last year, it's just a regular year. It's just a next year.
Yeah, go the next year.
That. Let me just ask everyone here.
That is it, Tolo.
What you guys achieved last year in terms of goals? Anything, not goals, like anything you're proud of last year where you do, any achievement? Because you don't know, sometimes you have reflect on the old year for bringing in the new one. You see me? Bringing the old one, reflect on the old year for bringing the new one. So any positive highlight in your life or last year, in your life where you can say, yeah, me achieve this, like, me never know this, me learn this. Me never have a girl, me get a girl. Something like that. Anything we feel confident about of saying.
May I go first? Firstly, to make it to the year and in real life, see people who they are, learn more about myself, realize that when time nothing I go on for you, and every time people are going to steal. But big up who did it, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say, Ray, you see me? But certain people, you get out of your life. Some people just put on the bench and some people kick out of the stadium. I just say cheers to the new year though.
But hold on, you still learn about your body same way?
Bro, you still have Dragon. Dragon.
You learn on a daily basis, bro.
But your life. You know my body. My life.
But you get that out.
What the fuck, my guy?
What are you drinking?
You still learn things about yourself, you know. So.
Yeah, my life.
About yourself.
My body.
Hold on, so you haven't learned anything about yourself in 2024?
I don't know all of this. I don't know say I have a little bit of bad mind.
No, Dragon.
Well, I know.
That's
No. It's still proving my point.
No, I don't learn nothing about myself what I never know before. Because, listen, I know say I have a little bit of bad mind in me, but I don't make it get the best of me. You see me? Some of the time, my bad mind come like, what you call it? It come like a little bit of envy. My bad mind set up in a sense where it drive me. It's ambitious bad mind.
I was going to say that to you.
Well, I know.
I was going to say that.
If me see a man out there say, we do one fat Range Rover, you know, one big house and something, I kind of bad mind because I say, John, no, you know, say a dragon fear have more mind in a big house. I work towards it. I nah bad mind the man for go rob him and kill him, you know.
For real.
All right. My bad mind him for the big house because we have a little bit of bad mind in a way.
Alex. You see thing with it here? Bad mind go two ways, you know. As I said, the way where you try to stop somebody and the way where you vex say, you know you can do better. You're bad man, the person better than them, you know. But better your life. You're not going to try to go against them and stop them. I turn and stuff. Still bad mind, but a progressive bad mind.
Right now, sometimes I see how some of them ball, I'm a bad mind, them you fuck. I nah like.
You can't play football.
Me just tell you, dog. Me I tell you. Then I say, come on.
If a bad mind, I can't play football. Yo. At least, We can try look one
At
G.
least me honest about the bad man. So people yesterday area and see me I do my thing.
Oh
they
yeah,
just know
oh
it go.
yeah. And next thing, yeah.
Corrupt.
And next thing, you know, they can't hear you. You see, next thing, yeah,
Mm.
people will stop go across the social media, attack our community, Jamaican,
Yeah.
and stop preach certain things about relationship and life and work when them themselves not do it. And then them just a capping, bro. But if you sit down and make up a whole fantasy life when you could go try achieve it, bro.
They always say like people who don't in a relationship or have a
You know
girlfriend or
what?
have children always good at giving advice. You know say a Gildan can give the best father advice.
I didn't know pitney.
Yeah.
Fuck
And a
you.
man who nah get no crutches can give the best girlfriend advice. A
Well-
real thing.
well,
Because here one now, some of the time, let me show you something. Some of the time, you have to have somebody from the outside looking in.
No,
Because you see man out the door, I bet him know say your girl body fat. And some of the time in the house, you not pay attention. Because every night him I watch your window and them I see things where you
you
not
not pay
pray.
attention,
Me
but
just
you
a show
know,
you.
but you know, Dragon, in a real life, yeah, me not have a car. I can't tell you what a car, bro. Me can't say it, but you know, you shouldn't take my advice. And when you take my advice now, you put the wrong guest in it now. You can't cuss me, you know?
Why
You
not?
can't cuss yourself because me don't know if I put guest in the car. This is the point. You shouldn't take advice from nobody when we go through
Yeah.
or been in where them I tell you. Because a single person can tell you from them personal selfish situation than when them have a partner, they say, yo, well, me they do this because me have a partner. They must sacrifice nothing. And when they sing with them, say, dog, left the girl for dog. A good girl, you know. And them tell you left the girl. Can't follow people single and pick the dog.
But you
Them
know
go
what?
treat first.
You know what? We always take all financial advice from somebody who broke. See? Well, I know. Well, I know. In a real life.
Wow.
Yeah.
In a real life. Think about it. To go to one local accountant, man. Remember I'm broke, you know, me drive one beast come park up at the door and him a drive one Toyota. See? And I him and my accountants. What am I doing?
No.
I'm
No.
just saying.
Him had the right account to have. Because
Why?
him know if he spend wisely. Because you have a beast and care afford it. But Toyota and him a tell you if he spend the money. That makes sense now.
No, because it,
Because if you find a person just as flashy as you, them account your book, them account to the flashy style.
but me
the
ask
man
you a
know if he
question.
save money.
Like Elon Musk and like, you know, Trump and
Elon
the
Musk,
ball
yeah.
of them. All of them a dog. Remember them have smart with them get them financial advice from. See? And the person them who manage their money. Remember them broke, you know. So
them
I'm
not
just
broke.
saying. Them not them kind of money there.
They cannot have that kind of money, but them have enough to have a balance
But
and
they
know
know
for the
how.
things.
So-
they
so-
know
so
how to
that's what
make
I'm
do
saying.
with
Alright.
what they have.
You read hold on.
Well, I know.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So me and Ras are accountant, yeah. Ras drive a flashy car, me drive a normal car.
Yeah.
But Ras in a financial problem and me not. But true Ras have a flashy car and the image they say me I make money.
Image.
Most people, I'm not gonna
Yeah.
say yo, that say yo, Ras me I work, but Ras finance she that accountant for accountant.
It's in shit, bruv.
Let me ask you a question. Since we are on this topic about accounts and flashiness and everything, what do you think? Somebody who's flashy and what we call in a Jamaica bossy and hype. When you consider them to do anything wrong, or the person who have a multiple money and laid back and just rich and not talk.
I don't think
We
it's
so-
any,
Alright, me
What
Wait,
lifestyle?
wait,
What
wait,
lifestyle would you prefer right now in this day and age?
from
The person who have the whole of money sit down and just live a normal life, or the man who have a bit of money but him a live in best life in flashy as fuck,
me that-
biggest car, everything.
enough money in normal life because it gives me the opportunity to choose if I want to live a flashy life. But
brother,
Where are the birds?
best life.
That's what I mean.
It's a
Yeah, man,
lifestyle.
I best
can-
life.
Best
man.
life.
Me
You know
just
why?
to live
No,
my
no, no,
best
no, no,
life.
no, no.
Nah, remember, brother,
Hold on,
I'm spitting
Zina.
them. Everybody come
Me
fight
can
over the
explain
house.
why.
No,
Me
no,
can
no.
explain why best life, yeah?
Yeah,
When you not have it, you try to live the best life.
yeah, man. I
But
best
when you
life.
have it now, you try to slow down.
Watch
Are
it now.
you crazy?
I'll have it.
Exactly
Yo,
my point.
Watch it now. I'll have it. Yo,
Yes, yes, yes.
and me I said this might sound fuck up now, but let me tell you this. If I have a friend or somebody in my circle who me and them good and them have a terminal illness, brother, more
Them
you
not
go
the
take
area.
out mortgage, house, every blood clot thing for me. Cause you know. You see when you're dead and some well alone, remember everything dead with you, you know. Just take out the money
Right.
and you see me, dog?
You know the worst thing about it, me hate, eh?
But at this me I tell you, like, we as black people, we not think them way there, you know. Cause we have all some sick relatives, seen? Doctor give him all 2 years to live. him have cancer or something wrong with him. We know him done all that, you know. And we have said, Jesus Christ, we have spent all our money and can't go down a bank, go take out one loan and this and that and record. You know, you see a same piece of loan money there. Can't pay for his funeral, can't keep dead yard, he can't have a thing. Because watch you now. Remember when him dead, you know, the blood clot, the loan dead with him, the money
loan,
dead. Listen now. On go way,
if
it
you do it
depends.
properly.
On go way,
You do it
unless it's a
properly.
mortgage
You're the criminal minds.
or this in
Jesus.
assets. You see, if it's like cash, because remember, you know, remember the bank can, remember, you know, the bank can lend you a piece of money. See? Say the bank lend you a mortgage, or say 100K. Where you say you take that money there and buy a house. Remember that money there allocated for buy a house.
So you now buy a house.
Well, I know. Then a mad when you make sell one blood clot, one shed.
One lila.
One shed for 100K. I want to dog. Remember, you know, the bank can't come after mad one cause remember me tell you say 100 grand my shed worth. So me no sticky money and cut man.
All if you buy a decent house, it was overpriced.
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm not.
In things like this, I don't know we as black people why we don't use the system.
Okay.
Because remember, you know, you see, if your relative them, a rich family them, they left some money and you forget it. Remember the government that take 40 out of that. So
40 plus 10.
So I just tell you we just do the same thing. We are equal out the thing and we're not thinking like criminals. We are just thinking. We are just thinking.
However,
All right, I remember saying something, yeah?
however,
Back to me and say, we kind of stray off what we asked originally. Well, me not understand as well what I say, yeah? When we are struggling, we go work every day, free no go work one day. And one day, you fall on some riches there, you hear some man, our people still go work, and me go live normal.
Yeah.
When me not have it, me I try to live not normal. When I have the opportunity to easily live my life, me I go one place simple because of other people. I was fucking crazy, bro. When time I done tour the world, I place when I exit with runway, me I go there.
But as I tell them, people, sorry, so we start off here on this gloom. But anyway, we have to talk
I'm not
about
gloom.
it.
Wait, I
re-
never
I'm not
answered the
gloom.
question.
I
Right.
recap.
Go ahead,
I'm not gloom.
Rasta.
which was the first question, like for 2024?
Yeah.
Peace.
We are back around this year again?
Yeah, because I didn't get the opportunity
Yeah,
to
yeah,
answer
yeah,
the
yeah,
question.
Yeah, but...
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
okay.
Don't.
No.
Don't make him take the piss.
It's
Because
fine,
hold
we're
on.
res- No, moving
Hold
on.
on, no.
No,
No,
hold
no,
on. It's unfair, but we're moving on.
No, stop to that. No, stop it. It's
Brett.
you're not gonna do that.
No, it's cool.
No,
it's
no,
cool, it's
Ras.
cool. Time.
Me know it's our time, but
Time.
you're not gonna
We can
do
move-
that, bro.
we can move on. We
This
can move
year,
on.
at the year, we're gonna do that. Okay?
All right. So
Okay.
when you go to Jamaica,
We can move on.
when you go to Jamaica, you left your new shoes where you buy. But you plane take off. Tell if you turn back. That's all me I say.
But it didn't fit the analogy, yeah. But
I'm just saying, like,
Okay.
we not always guess.
Yeah, hold up, guess now. Go on, Ras.
All right.
No, move on.
So anyway,
No, if I answer the question,
When
boy,
you-
No.
we never want to start off the year on a gloom, but obviously these are things and issue we have to talk
I
about
like
because
that
obviously this year is going to be a bit more challenging for everybody. We already know like corn stocks gone up,
Bus fare.
bus fare gone up.
depends on the council living at all.
Tax.
Well, on the tax, where do? Where tax do? Gone up. Bus fare,
Gone up.
council tax,
Gone up.
So I like
food
that.
money,
Gone up.
Gone.
Side ya-
Blackwall Tunnel
Blackwall Tunnel,
will be activated in spring.
the girl them
2025.
crutches bill,
Don't know.
That always rise every time I do. So it don't matter which year.
I
It
don't
ever
the
know.
liquor them a party.
Gone up.
Oh, well, I'm pause.
Jesus
It a go
Christ.
bumbo clock go up. Kind of body bill a go up. And that my father to talk about.
Well,
Every year,
I shall say,
Well,
let me announce it from now.
I shall say nothing because I sit before you. Every year, DJ them follow them stipulations and them rare. But I got put out a proper educated video. But make Rush write the press release to make a
Make
Rush
sure you have your money.
can
My
Ras-
price gone up too.
nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Rush can spell
Just to
better
make
than
you
me.
know.
So when we put the press release out as a paper
Yeah.
and audio, it makes sense.
Is it DWI?
Yeah, see, they start work already, man. But no, but not really.
Summer boss. Hold on, let me just ask
Yeah,
a
but pay a
question.
down payment first.
Before you go,
then
let me just interject right here. Let me just ask a question.
Yeah,
So
that's
people
fine.
still have spell wrong in a text or writing when you have.
Yes,
Hold on,
sir.
hold on there.
Yes, Jack.
One second.
ChatGPT,
What,
yeah.
Not chat GPT. Even when you write this on your phone, you see red under the bottom, so you know saying no spell good.
Why?
Yep.
Why?
I'm just saying.
Yep.
Why?
You come up with a little red line at the lower end of the text. Yeah? Correction. Why for that? Yeah?
First one of the year.
All right. See?
Yeah, scatter lead.
Some of us I wonder if people
Happy
still
birthday.
are spell wrong.
No, Dragon. Sometimes the word is spelled wrong at the
Context.
context
in
of the
which it's written.
sentence. So they must say, at the past and present or whatever things.
The
So,
context and
you know
topic
past
is
and
it.
present, right?
Bro, when you text, I not doing a test, it no matter if the person get it.
May I ask if you know past tense
Bro,
and present?
see me, so for avoid all the way just say, I met the person who have on the glasses, no you, sorry. Go school and stay probably
Don't
longer
even
than me.
friend like that.
Stay probably
Friend
longer.
go
Hold on,
school.
probably stay longer than
Friend
me
go
in school.
school.
Even go school, yes, but run it.
Birds, why past tense are dead?
Live. Dead in. Dead in.
Yo,
Opposite.
Jamal, he's out.
Why?
Eh? He's out, Jamal.
Yo, the past tense of dead, yeah, is dead in. Oh, rascal. Oh, a big.
How
Birds.
far like a phone that?
Yellow card. I first short. Yellow card.
I chew it out.
Yellow
No,
card.
yellow card. All
I
right.
chew. You know where I start with chew?
Yeah, yellow card.
Unauthorized
That,
knives.
that are 30 pounds.
Yeah.
No, we're not
No,
No, 30
At
pound.
2025,
At
everything
2025,
no, no.
everything raised.
No.
30 pounds.
I know it raised, but
Make a note of
But
this,
what?
please.
Make a note
Hold
of
on,
it.
hold on,
30
hold on.
pounds.
We
Make
can-
sure big up, you know. Angel Delight, big up on yourself. Everybody we're checking, just share the live. Because remember this is our first show.
Alright.
When you start on the topic, remember baiting around of the talk.
we
'cause
cannot. Well,
Yeah.
I put the penalty them. We cannot just give me 30 pounds.
Birds,
straight after.
are you always do it? 30
Give you
pounds.
30
Hold on,
pound.
hold on, hold on.
30 pounds, bro.
Hold on.
There's no
You
discussion.
can't take it with Samsung and come like some fucking yang bike you see up there. Nice.
I never Samsung.
It's
So
a
what kind of
Samsung
phone
that.
you
I'm
have?
a Samsung.
What kind of phone you
I'm
have?
a headphone.
It's a
I'm
Samsung.
headphone, me lock off.
It's a Samsung that.
Happy
It just
New Year,
not-
my
it come-
darling.
Yo, me nah lie.
Anyways, what were
Come
we
on.
saying?
Yeah.
You-
Panarele.
Before it was rudely interrupted.
Rudely
by
interrupted.
Yeah.
Panarele. What I
Alright.
say, yeah.
Mhm.
We have a lot of situation are going to.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh, yeah, talk about.
I talk about.
Talking i5 phone, my
I talk
general.
about the
Yeah.
life changes. That's something.
Yeah. True. Fuck yeah, talk.
I was so lost.
I know. I was like,
I was so
I'm
lost.
gonna try to catch a conversation. I'm like, I go further and further
people,
away.
like,
Anyways.
let's do a quick recap on 2024. You don't know, there's a few things happen.
Few. Wally.
What if I fuck recap?
My last 5 minutes a year.
Wally.
In our 2024, let's do a recap. Let's start from UK. What start the early bit of the year? Did anyone remember?
Nope.
Any controversy? Any rare?
Was it
It was Queenie and do it to an extent till we tell that.
no, when was
Them roll over. I
Yeah.
think it was.
when was
It
the
roll over.
26th of last year?
Mm.
That was when Danger was on it with the
Yeah,
shots did fire, whatever. So we spoke about that at the beginning of 2024.
it roll over. Then
So things
there was a
like
little
that.
scuffling at the start bit at the year. A little you know, Brixton, Loughborough, go scuffling go on a little venue there.
Mm.
You know, but otherwise I think this year been very quiet in terms of the entertainment scene.
But England never really have no fuckery.
No, to
Not
be
that
honest,
much.
the entertainment scene and the social media type side of things, and
Party them go smoother this year.
no, it's sad to say.
In comparison to 20.
No, not about violence, but you know, just the excitement, social media drama.
It was very
there was not a lot this year in
That's
terms
what
of
I'm saying.
like
People
people in my UK. They are too touchy feelings.
you know what? The people them wise up and realize, say, yo, I'm making the money in America and
No.
Jamaica.
No, it
Or-
can make
or-
your money, but you know what? UK
No,
in a sense,
all on the birds. Make him finish.
UK in a sense, they always slow and them always start on a trend when it's too late. All right, look from when people make money on TikTok or Jamaica and whatever. But you just a few little person a come on TikTok over here and a try after it, right?
You can't over here
You know,
because
you can. What's the difference on
I
this
just say-
internet?
I just say,
Why?
I don't buy the call and say, we make a runner.
But you can play a match with the people in Jamaica.
Hold
like,
on,
yeah.
no,
Roberto.
Jamaica.
Dragon.
Over here, most Jamaican over here don't even give people live over here. They rather go other country.
Abroad.
So there's enough variables, and then if you try to create a look anonymous, even if it's fake or not, eventually somebody will get emotional,
And
or
getting
a third party I go blow up the whole of the spot
But why is that?
because
And
you just
when
said
we
it.
are all people,
you just-
something wrong with the UK space, with the country?
Bro, you just said it.
No, I'm asking you. Like, we are all Jamaican living here, and if we was in Jamaica, would I do the same thing? So, me
But
ask,
Dragon, you just said it.
What?
People are thin skin, bro.
me ask you, what is the problem? Or we just have some people out here now we're coward and we're afraid to ask.
That is it.
No, we're afraid to ask the wrong question because we might offend people or we might
It all
say
comes.
something. But you don't know. It's a few highlights. So we have to big up some of the artists them who have been putting out the work. You don't know. Big up Balabella. You know, award winning artist. Big up Kiapa, big up Younger Vibes, and big up
Big up
Sparks.
Shanty Force.
You know,
as
big up
well.
Shanty Force. You big up big up all the artists them are put in some work. You know, Steady Rems big up
Big up
yourself
Lord
as well.
God.
And
You know,
within
Lord God big up
enter-
yourself. Like you put in some real work. You know,
About
Lyrics
7
put in
songs
some
them
work.
drop.
Beanie G
Yeah.
as well.
Beanie G put in some work.
Yeah.
BNG got touring.
To be honest, who would you give the UK entertainer or artist entertainer of the
for
year
2024.
for 2024?
Easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From start to finish,
Yeah.
He's been trending.
it's been trending.
Yeah.
And that's entertainment.
over here-
Hold on, let me just clarify. You're referring to entertainment.
Entertainment artistry, because listen,
I guess if you missing
Question mark, because
Yeah.
he hasn't put out any music.
I guess.
Him not put out
I
any
guess
music.
yeah.
really
It
matter.
matters.
But I don't-
it matters
it play a
because
factor. It play a factor.
it plays a factor
Yeah.
into it.
Alright,
Because
if
if you
Raga did, sorry, go on.
because if you don't put out no music, remember, yes, you're an entertainer. Yes, but you're also an artist. There is no new material that has forwarded out of that section. But we have all heap of UK artists, many of the names we've listed, who are putting in work for 2024. So entertainment overall and vibes and whatever. Of course, Raga Reggae has had it.
If Raga did do a
He's been
song
keeping it.
in the time where Mado and call my
It would
boy,
have propelled
cause my
everything.
boy there, obviously the most likely that
Yeah,
end
yeah,
up on
yeah.
Capital now.
Yeah.
He'd get the foreign
it's not on
stream.
Capital now.
He got
did
shown
it.
Capital now.
He done a new show. He's not officially on there.
Well, it
No.
but
So
let me
facts
finish.
right.
Let me finish. Them give him a run
Yeah.
as a trial, and clearly, most
It's not-
likely,
no, don't
Let-
don't
no,
tell
no,
me
no.
Finish them,
because
finish.
you're putting out misintervention.
Bro,
Hold on, no.
misinterversion.
Misinformation. So
Alright.
please talk
Alright.
the facts right. So
If you
let
let me
me
finish
clarify
it.
that bit. So he
No,
was
no, no.
invited to Capital as a guest DJ, like
Hold
a
on.
lot of other DJs
Hold on,
do.
hold on, hold
Anyway, continue.
Me say till Raga Reggae reach Capital.
Yeah.
But even talk about my boy.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So if him did do a song, my boy they were been trending, like he's the most trending DJ.
Yeah,
And you were mentioning to AG, DJ.
Yeah, AG, yeah.
Mhm.
AG that obviously promote him song. I am that get certain, cause people will actually watch AG show, have Raga Reggae as part of the what are the, if they see him at one point, cause AG would not call him forward till all Elgis Alba and Fingy and I say you're Ray, you see me? So Raga Reggae is the most active entertainer online. So we can't say just that alone.
And that's where the clarity comes from.
Let's all right. We're talking about entertainers of the year and artists of the year. You know what?
I would say this man.
Mother say, I give Raga Reggae artists as well, because you know why?
You're the most active.
Hold on, no.
He's
You
not
can
the
hold
most
on,
active.
hold on,
Just
hold
by
on.
starting the race.
In a sense, it don't matter if you don't put out no new material,
Mhm.
but think about it. Which song been trending the most online? What people been singing the most? It don't matter if it's an old song or a new song, because you know sometimes old song
Can
resurface
and do
back
a,
on the media. So we would have give him artists as well, because Vauxhall Market everywhere to sing. And
everybody know it again.
may have a next point to make. Do you think, actually, may I ask a question, do you think the dancehall community give the respect where it's due? Because like, in terms of Raga Reggae,
Them do it when time it help them get a crowd.
Or when it's on a buzz.
Alright,
when
what
he's
you
on
say?
a high. But go ahead. Sorry.
It's so funny though, yeah. Raga Reggae go time where put on him costume them. Garbrixton,
Entertaining
Link
people.
AG,
them.
yeah. You see the UK rapper them go do it. You see the UK driller.
Even
Everybody
persons who aren't artists.
artists
goes and
go
do
there,
it.
go make a fool of themselves. To a point as community well-being, as AG a push community well-being and helping people for have more. Yeah. Have you seen Kimon, Tana Kimon go there?
Yep.
So
With her,
man,
daughter,
she go there.
with her daughter, or was it with her
Je-
mom?
Think first one by herself will come and work.
Okay, cool.
Then Jester go there, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
But everybody else,
What's his name? Hashtag happy. What name? Big Zeke
Big
goes there
Zeeks.
as well.
alright, the few who not go there, and them me attack. In one sense in your mind, this youth I rack up how much views to everybody.
Mm-hmm.
You see people who probably claim something better than, or literally in everybody else, even if you laugh
Yeah.
or something. Anything in your mind say, yo, alright then, we're gonna go drop some of my song. You don't know who I see, eh? Just like I said, Jamaica. Jamaica run with every trend there is. If you drop a rhythm, and it run, everybody want voice, because that's the traction there,
Yeah.
till it run out.
Mm-hmm.
These people, up to them own self, them let them own feelings, them gonna say, oh, Jack, I'm not DJ. Him just play a Brixton on the corner. Play in a dance. But when Jagan done play and lock him laptop and look on him TikTok account, him all have 15 grand. You see where I come from?
No. It's
no.
a point.
So where I come
It's a
from?
point. But I
So
don't. But
people-
But the fact that
No.
we don't know what reason.
It's not the money matter. I'm going to show you.
No, I'm talking about your assumption.
Yeah, no, what I'm say that is this, yeah? For the artist part now, yeah? You see a man that do something as an artist, it's the media first for you. Bro, and you see that I run, because
Yeah.
AG is trending every... The man trending to get arrested.
And the thing about it is, on that point, Breds, it's a very good point. There is no, AG, me can get a chat. You go there and you get, the platform is there
You
for
can
you
tell
to
away
take
my
the
God there.
opportunity. He puts the information out. You can go there for free. You pick a location, you whatever. So, we always say marketing is a very big part of a DJ or of a entertainer's career. And if you don't put in the work and nobody not take up your carrying them on, who is going to do it for you?
Yeah, so the bad mind come in now. Yeah.
Because when when I put the DJ prospect in, you see some DJ on film circuit, as well as say, no one's booking my man. Rare. We're not going to do that. But if you see a trend at work, come back to me and say, you got to put yourself out there for people love you. You get bookings anyway. If you get booking at old people home as well, then probably pay a man some fee and do it for film reason. And because the back of that now, yeah, other companies calling for put a sponsor out. So it's like, yeah, put yourself out there, forget revenue from people who never want to see you. And when, if you forget book a one normal dance, Dragon was AG, yeah, in a situation. If you get book a normal dance, just post and say my other person dance here.
People are going to forward out.
Thank you. And then everybody are going.
And I want to get everybody who is on the live involved in the conversation as well. Tell us, answer the question
Them
first. So
can call
the initial question that was asked was, for 2024, who is your entertainer for 2024 on the UK side? So give us your responses and we'll incorporate it in the conversation.
Yeah.
Go ahead,
So
Dragon.
you're the bad mind for what you know, seeing? Or, Dragon the dirty bad mind pre.
Which is
Scene?
not acting.
What you know? It goes by saying, in terms of supporting each other and just supporting somebody, it don't cost nothing to like something, nothing to share.
Facts.
Look at this. When AG was going all about, Brighton in the summer.
Carnival.
Before even
everywhere.
that. Before him get the name from him was all the way from last year, right? Before him get the big fame and everything. Nobody didn't want to know him. Nobody didn't want to go up on him live. It'll come like say other like up on live show or
I
other
was just going
platform
to say that.
or other platform or even artists themselves.
Yeah.
Like for instance, say Breads put out a song tomorrow. The fellow artists or fellow people in the industry, them not go share it, them not go like it. Them not go try earn up the numbers. And at this thing when we realize with UK it's too cliquey and something not right. Everybody thin skin. So in a sense, you have a little old long crab in that barrel mentality because if you see somebody have a good song, right? For instance, Balabella, they have a good song. Nah, look, see? Very, very, very trendy song. You have a little dance, easy for work with. But at the end of the day, him get a half-hearted support from the dancehall community. So because him never get the full support, the song they never go wait for go.
And it could have been
Because
a
man just a say, yo, me don't know him, I don't know my friend them this and my friend them that. But what you know, on a repost Stranger Things every day per Instagram. On a giggle and laugh because you know. When you see some famous people post it or when some people post it or whatever. Bro, we need to stop that and shop local, support the people about our demographic because alright. Me not lie. 2 years ago, I would have said enough of the music them what was coming out of UK was subpar to this music them were come out of Jamaica.
You did say that.
But now the music quality I get up there. Enough of the music them they on par with some of the song them we are forward out of Jamaica. And the topics them
the artists them still
and
want to do
the
same
artists
thing.
them now me see them a step up themselves. Me see all them and them image turn up. Me see
Music videos are dropping with the
me
songs.
see
as
everything.
well.
So me just was like,
One part them last step up though.
well, Anna Birds, in terms of promotion and certain things, like, me understand some of that, because sometimes it's hard, because over here, most man would do in the music, remember, him not the soul of the music, remember, England hard,
True.
England almost is like a third world country at the moment, so we have to understand that, so
But Dragon.
we need to support each other, because it don't cost nothing to
But
repost
Dragon,
something.
but Dragon.
And artists, this is a one on the floor too, where, feel for ask for help. everybody want to be the old time.
The expect you to say, yo,
We had
come
call
on your
the
career.
old time bounty killer. You know, type of behavior where
Blood
when you doing a song and you feel like the people for repost it. Dog, when you can
Bro.
write a little message out there, yo, me I drop a little video. Guys, me I beg gonna please repost it, blah blah blah, reach out to some people.
I
It's
know
easy,
what-
cause
you know
all are
what,
we
yeah.
a friend, all are we chat. Everybody know everybody.
They're doing everything else except the marketing part.
And just ask people, say, yo, me you drop a song, yes, can we repost this song at 9 o'clock or tomorrow at this time, make a run up
Jagan,
some numbers, dog.
Jagan.
Make a try to get some song out
Jagan.
there.
Not
And just
even-
support in general, not only
Not,
run
you
up
talk about
numbers.
you to post for them. Them not even not post for themselves. How you gonna send a WhatsApp broadcast and you look by all your social media where you send me across me for post,
And
you
haven't
don't
posted it.
even post it, bro.
I've seen that before.
Like, you tell me, say, like me, I say, yo, when you join the show, but you never see me yet post nothing for the show.
I said that before, but
But
you know what?
it has changed.
Well,
in
I don't want to
2024.
flip the narrative or the conversation and make it seem like, say, we're blaming or we're cussing the artist.
Yes,
them.
I am.
Well, Anna Birds, like, it's not the time for that. It's 2025. Let's start the year on a good spirit.
Alright, then
If you see something that somebody is doing where you feel like you can done better,
Do what you can to
it's not every time you ever fall out
Constructive
here
criticism.
and give them a blast or criticize what them a do. Sometimes you can link a man and give him a little nudge and say,
I
yo,
do.
bro,
I do.
you know, like, let's try it that way for the year. You see me?
Yeah,
Let's shop local.
maybe
Let's try
we-
support
yeah.
each
So
other.
all of the artists, them,
Remember, I'm trying to tell you now. Remember,
Alright,
me come,
Jagan.
me fall out tonight.
Why?
Why for that? Me fall out tonight and me I tell you,
What
say,
What is happening?
say,
It's an hat trick, you.
me have a little bit of bad mind in me. I remember me tell you that, but if a drag on the youth with a little bit of bad mind can come and talk them sitting here and say,
Why?
But Jagan, watch this.
yo, you see me? I English
Jagan.
me attack, gonna fuck off.
Jagan, watch this, Jagan. Like, you see,
Mm.
if I may I pre from with this, so yo, from now until November, December, we have everybody that put out music and we run it as we say, yo, end of the year, we go by or social you are, how much show you do, you stream to we from your Spotify, your YouTube, and your iTunes, you just send them to it and say, this is it. I will match up everybody one. Actually, them tell us anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will say, yo, in a month, you know, or February, we say, yo, we can click whatever, and we'll get the artist of the year, the promoter of the year via event, or it execute. Cause you can't one big event, I say that, or it execute. Everything else, I will put a vote, but we can't even do that because if a man lose, a problem. If he no win, a
But
problem.
then again,
And then with the artist, them, yeah.
Are you not here?
Well, no, remember, you have to do a
Are
year.
you not
some-
here where I do it?
You have to do a year, some.
Or beginning of year? Now, no man tell me something, my mother like scatter.
No,
Just I
but-
tell you.
but
no, we have
no,
to do a roundup
round
of the year,
for
and
this.
then
Say me nah call nobody name.
No, but they come back to that. It's
Yeah,
like
me.
it's like this, yeah. A person will not say the year, that means they better than you know.
Huh?
Somebody will artist or entertainer, podcast of the year. That means they have better content. Just at the time, they have better consistency.
No, like listen, you see me as a youth. If I'm in a race, right? And in that race,
You're trying to win, obviously.
in that race, me run the race and me never come first. Seeing?
Why?
why?
Jesus Christ.
What's wrong
Yeah,
with you
me never
today?
win the
A
race.
tempo that-
Me never win the race. Seeing? Me never win the race.
250 or why?
It does showing that me need to sharpen up my craft a little bit. You see me? That means that there's more work to be put in because how can I feel like say when you see in Bolt run off a Powell, you feel like the Powell as a bumbo clot or what them put in a ear, Father God. They that's Christ, man.
Elephant man,
Me
that's
can't
it.
wait to catch blood clot boy Bolt shoes.
But
But just I tell you, but I just one of them
Alright,
thing there.
My song for all of this way I say, yeah,
Yeah.
across the board, yeah. Man for the better. And on the stop pressure promoters when them do shows and a book, you know, because firstly, when the man do normal event, when they turn up and post the man them situation. So the man I work with who I work with him, I feel better than them, you can't see none. That's the next thing. Me you can't there somewhere and me your friend, you know, support me and post nothing for me. And they come back to me and say post firing and people think you post a next man even kind
But you not do it for who?
so-called hype. Yeah? And if not ever we book it, I believe in you.
Yeah.
And your dog go to shows, you would even post that like say for years.
Yeah.
You see me? So them as I say, nobody not support them. But really and truly, are you not supporting own for support other than
Your own.
on the own? Can own now book you know? Can them not do show?
That's true, but you see that area, we need to move the narrative from
We should, but let's
well, I
say
know. from this promoter against DJ. I think you're still in that ball game setting.
No, bro, I just show you
What-
factors. We're
no.
not about verses there, so
Me-
I show about the
I know
promotion part.
I know about the factors we are talking about, but obviously, I'm sure you have vibe. It's just like what I said earlier on. Remember, everybody have a different character, right? I'm the type of person. You know about one time I post your party and me forward already every week. Cause me as a youth, would up and be a part. I'm gonna post them cause
Bro,
me's the type of person like
because he's a DJ, so I want to stay.
and it's not, that's why I'm telling you when I go to the promoter versus DJ thing, it's not about
No, but
DJ.
no, I saw
Hold on,
no,
hold
that's
on, my
Uno.
boss. It's not about Uno. Watch it now.
I will know that, so I want to care.
Birds, hold on now. Because some of the time, Uno if you understand, say, yo, you're paying somebody to DJ, now paying them for promote your party. Like, at the end of the day, that's why I say,
That's one of the biggest excuse.
hold on, my boss.
Wait to have fans, bro.
My boss.
What the fans
Hold
are
on,
doing there?
Yeah. Hold
Don't
on,
do that,
hold on,
bro.
birds.
Come off it.
Normally DJ post on the night or the week,
That,
whatever.
nothing.
Let me finish talk now. Let me finish
So
talk.
none of fans. That's what I'm just
Let
saying.
me finish talk. So hold on then. So you book a DJ if you get their fans at your party. So basically, let me finish before you interrupt. So basically, if you book 2 DJ and I will like DJ people them come at the party, that means that it's a DJ them party, it's not your party.
No, you trying
Because
shit,
hold
bro.
on now, if a few them people come at your event, so basically, if you do the event in the 2 times, you know what a man who wise up and say, cut out the middleman.
You so life funny.
No, I'm just
Hold on,
telling you,
hold on,
bro.
hold
So
on. It's
at
all
the
like
end of the
funny,
day, well, I'm not
Hold on.
finished. I'm
No.
not finished.
Hold on.
Let me finish the boss. Me tell you, say don't interrupt me.
That's just
Just-
we don't know business, but
don't-
go on.
let me finish the dog.
So, yeah.
So as well, me I say, as a promoter, unless you are a DJ, come to an agreement. Say, yo, listen, I'm gonna book you, and these are the criteria of me booking you. Want X amount of poster because do remember, a page of a DJ is his personal page, and you're not paying the DJ for a promotional service. So I an idea. Look on this now. When Super Bowl book Beyonce and them, you think Super Bowl at them say yo feel go post?
They're the crowd already, bro.
Me just tell them a boss.
Alright, and them-
You know means you have the so
Dragon,
if you have the crowd, you want to
pause,
business for DJ
pause,
post
pause.
or not.
With Super Bowl now, yeah,
Yeah.
why you lose this? So the reason why people go off to the players, them, they're the entertainers, right?
It depends on who's
So,
in halftime.
so
show.
no.
Sometimes it
No,
depends.
no. If there's no halftime show, them still I get the
It's
same.
never gonna
There's
be no
always
halftime.
Bro, no,
a
I said-
halftime show.
If the, bro, them not come for us halftime show, bro. Halftime show with
Some
them.
people do.
It depends on
listen,
who
I'm
the
talking,
artist
man.
is.
All right. Overall, watching it,
Mm-hmm.
halftime show is a blip in them whole football in the ear, bro.
Not for everybody.
It
Wait,
is,
wait.
it
Jog
is,
on,
bro.
Make him finish
It
statement,
is
please.
because if them keep it this year, or whatever year them this year, sometimes say, you know what, we're not doing an halftime show. We're going to do a thing and do some charity giveaway in halftime, yeah. And go next year again, they will still get the number they need because our people watch football all year round, leading up to the finals, bro. This is sports.
Yeah.
The halftime show is entertainment for everybody. It's happy. When you for the DJ now, yeah, when you book an artist, right, for perform.
A DJ or a promoter.
No, when a promoter book an artist
Okay.
perform,
Yeah.
him probably 400 people can go and party, but him book the artist to enhance him crowd and him finance. And the artist say, yo, this is what I charge. I said, we agree, we pay him. So if him have 1 million people on him Instagram in a one country and 2 million turn up, him still get paid, me get paid, everybody enjoy. He use my show say, yo, I put 2 million or so, so my next price gone up. So when DJ say, yeah, oh, them have fans, and a man book you, when I say promoter shit, bro, you post say, I'm going to be here. You post it on the night.
I can send you a video and you can post
Let
it.
me finish, bro.
That's the same.
No, let me finish. 'Cause if I say you have fans, yeah,
Yeah.
if that's the case, we're gonna run with every time
Yeah.
and say, yo, Ray, I'm not gonna charge this amount of money. A promoter gonna start to say, okay, if you're not gonna post it, and nobody knows you're not gonna dead it, from cause my page is 2 different pages. Cause I don't know you. So we don't share that much people. Anybody, if me share the same people, them, and them come and party, like, my fans, then they work with them. But if your system you only have,
Or it's mutual.
then
It's mutual.
all right, say if me have 20 people and you in common, and I'm already a father on party, and you bring on 400, all you have to say to the promoter, this is the business I have. Bro, you know what I say? Everyone I go, a 400 strong I work with, and I have a 20 pound yard charge, 8 grand that door. No, 8 grand, 8 grand, right?
Right?
I say, you know what? I normally charge 1,000, but if I do a promotion part right now, for the next 15 bills on it, 2-5 more.
Alright, we're not
Okay.
asking
Well,
a
let me
conversation
let me,
upon
no,
it.
it's
Yeah,
not strain. It's about only think about the business
But
aspect
yes, we're
of
not
the
gonna do-
business.
we're not gonna do
It's
DJ
not
versus
do- no,
promoter
it's not
thing.
versus
Yeah,
you
you're
started.
the
'Cause
boss.
all I said, yeah, people
I'll tell
say
you,
help
like,
with
people
everything,
have
yeah.
rights.
And when you
We
book
don't
a
have to.
when you book a
Hold on,
when you book a
hold on.
DJ, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Drag
your
on,
right.
drag on.
Bro,
Let
when
him
you
finish
book a
his
DJ,
statement, please. Yeah.
them walk and go on with them sour face and malice the promoter them say, them boy now book me, book them next Monday. But when them book you,
Call name, bro. It's
Drag on.
2024.
anybody, bro,
Five,
it's a,
five.
Call name.
bro, it's a general statement, bro. Don't do that. Cause them is something you bring with the animosity, bro. It's at New Year. When them do that now, yeah,
Last 5 seconds.
them carry feelings and talk with the promoter them and talk with the DJ will get booked on the event them. But when they get booked, your argument is this. Oh, you book me for just play, no promote. The man them when book, where you eat, them at least have the decency if say, you know what, me get a one post one after a while.
But I'm sure.
That me I talk about.
Well, and
You can't say you have fans and when you play at one party, nobody not there for you,
Can-
there for the promoter.
can
When you
I
stop saying have fans,
can I get an
just get people
entrance?
play music, bro.
Can I get an entrance in the
Why?
conversation?
Yeah, but the
No,
convers-
entrance.
No, the conversation done.
Entrance scene. All right, watch here now. Let me just
We're,
let me just kill your conversation totally, because I'm gonna make some points. All right. See, you got popular DJs. Don't necessarily mean they're talented, right? You got one popular DJ over here. We have way more followers
Why you
than
not call
me,
him?
you, and some of the promoter them. See, don't mean that they're talented, but then you have some DJ who's well talented. Like everybody knows them bad like was.
That was the
And
argument.
hold on, let me finish. Then them everybody knows that them will come and fuck up the party, them will take the party. Them don't necessarily have the personality as everybody. The outgoing person who post and do the TikTok dance. Them have a small social media gathering. See? People know them style that. Just like artists. Right? Them not post your party, but you know so when them forward your party, them will deliver. See? You know what? You not go book the shit DJ them because you want know. If you book a shit